Why take your personal injury claim to trial? I'm Andre Gauthier of Gauthier Amadei Injury Law. Every day we make it our mission to take on insurance companies in order to fight for fair compensation for our clients. In many cases, we're able to settle personal injury claims out of court. But sometimes, when insurance companies refuse to pay, the best course is to take the claim to trial. In this video, we'll discuss your options for pursuing an injury claim and when it makes sense to settle or to argue your case in front of a judge or a jury. Investigating the options. When a person has suffered a personal injury which warrants compensation of any kind, the victim is usually left with one or two options: settle out of court with the insurance company or take the case to trial. Deciding what's best for you often depends on whether or not the insurance company is willing to offer fair compensation for the injuries and if the settlement is the best possible outcome. If the extent of the injuries and damages is relatively minimal and the compensation due is straightforward, settling with an insurance company may be the best choice. As long as you and your attorney agree that the proposed offer is fair compensation, both sides save time and money by settling out of court. Most of the time, both parties are able to come to an agreement on what that fair compensation should be. In cases where the insurance company either refuses to pay or they undervalue your injuries, taking your case to trial may be the best option. This is especially true if you need compensation to cover for major medical bills, ongoing treatment, lost wages. An experienced trial attorney can determine how strong your case is, and by gathering and documenting the evidence, we'll be able to present the best possible case to a judge or a jury. If you've been injured in an accident and you're unsure if the insurance company is offering you fair compensation for your injuries, your first step should be to contact an attorney right away. An experienced trial lawyer will be able to help you determine whether it is in your best interest to accept the settlement or if you stand to receive greater compensation by taking your case to trial. Time is always working against you. Statutes of limitations on cases place deadlines by which you must file suit. After a statute of limitation has passed, your lawyer will not be able to get you any compensation. Choose an attorney with trial experience. Whether settling or going to trial is the best option for you, you need an experienced personal injury lawyer. They can best advise you as to what your options are and what the best course of action is for you. After an accident that wasn't your fault, contact an attorney before you speak to the insurance company. Your attorney will fight to get you the compensation you deserve, whether by settlement or trial.